Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about medicinal plants. Among different kinds of medicinal plants, Calotropis gigantea, which is known as Yakkigida in Kannada. Let us discuss about peculiar features of Calotropis gigantea. Mythologically, this Calotropis gigantea is very important. The flowers of Calotropis gigantea or Yakkigida are used for Lord Ganesha as well as Lord Shiva. Let us discuss about medicinal values of Calotropis gigantea. Whenever we find forking of thorns in our feet, then the extract, the juice of Calotropis gigantea could be put in the particular place, which enables to remove that thorn from the particular part of the body. So it is useful to remove thorn also. Second aspect, even leaves of Calotropis gigantea are vitally important, and these leaves are kept below the feet. These leaves are taken and all these leaves are kept below the feet, and even by keeping these leaves below the feet, and even legs should be covered with the help of socks also, and that aspect is useful to minimize even diabetes in the person who is suffering from diabetes. Let's move on to third concept. Whenever we find bite from the poisonous species, that time extracts of Gigantea calotropis, water and turmeric substances, all these should be mixed systematically, poured among the particular part of the body, which minimizes the poisonous effect of organisms. So even this can be considered as a first aid. Later on, you need to move for doctor treatment also, which reduces maximum toxicity from your body. Next, even black spot pigmentation, or what we can say in Kannada, bangu, can be reduced by using root extract, lemon juice and turmeric solutions, all together mixed equally and treated on the particular area, which minimizes the particular disorder. Even these leaves are very important. Leaves could be kept below the knees also and covered the particular place also, which reduces the percentage of knee pain. So if you feel happy by considering all these points, I request you all to share and subscribe. Thank you.